Sneider Elevator designs and manufactures innovative and durable components for modern elevator systems. From automatic doors and wiring systems to landing and car operating panels, control boards, cabin and counterweight suspensions, and other complementary parts, each product is engineered to the highest standards and tested with precision before leaving our production line. Operating in more than 50 countries, Sneider Elevator provides reliable and efficient solutions that ensure the safe performance of modern buildings. Our R&D team continuously develops new technologies, focusing on durability, easy installation, and long-lasting performance. All Sneider Elevator products are manufactured in accordance with N81-2050 standards, delivering high performance, safety, and sustainable quality. Every component supports the safe operation of an elevator system. For us, quality is not just a production goal, it is an engineering responsibility. Sneider Elevator, precision, strength, performance,